I'm a pre-litigation attorney here at Farah Farah. So pre-litigation is basically when we have a case assigned for an auto accident or a personal injury matter, we will help maintain our client's case in terms of making sure that we're doing the proper investigations, we're following through with the insurance companies, and we're making sure that our client is following the proper treatment plan. And then we will try to see if we can settle the case outside of court. It's super important in pre-litigation to be reviewing the policies, because with that fine print, there might be coverages that we're not aware of based on what we're receiving in terms of verbally from the insurance companies. So we always have to do our double check to make sure that we're verifying all coverages that are on file. Whenever I meet a new client, the first thing I want to know is, how are you doing? What's going on? What are your injuries? And then we have to get very specific as far as case details, especially if we run into the issue that the other side is denying liability or they're putting some kind of fault on our client. So make sure to get all the details that we can. What did you see around you? Did you see businesses around you that we can get video surveillance? Were there any witnesses? Because all of that encompassing is what's going to be to the benefit when we're fighting for our clients' rights. Farah Farah definitely has the resources to give the clients the right results. We are surrounded here by various colleagues that have so much experience, so much knowledge. And if there's one issue that we're unsure about, we can go to that colleague and they'll be able to help us out. We all work together here as a team. What satisfies me as an attorney representing people in their toughest journeys is the end result. So knowing that they did all that they needed to do to make sure that they got the medical treatment that they needed to get, and that it also contributed to the value of their case, so that the insurance will tender the policy limits or whatever the settlement is for them that's to their benefit, which of course, and as the end result, so makes them happy. The amount of times that I brag about the firm that I work at because of everything that they've done for the community is innumerable. I have such a high respect and a high regard, and I'm also honored that I can get myself involved with the community as basically stemming from my work here. I love working at Farah Farah, and what I love most about working at Farah Farah is the camaraderie. We have such a great crew of people here: attorneys, paralegals, legal assistants, the intake staff. Everyone here is fantastic, always willing to help, always willing to offer a smile and laugh, and I truly do love the camaraderie here.